Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all around us today. From your phone's voice assistant to your car's navigation, AI is everywhere. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? Let's explain it simply and clearly in just a few minutes. AI means making machines smart like humans. It allows computers to think, learn, and make decisions. When Netflix suggests movies or YouTube recommends videos, that's AI. When Google completes your sentence while typing, that's also AI. Even your phone unlocking with your face uses AI technology. The goal of AI is to make computers think intelligently. Not just follow orders, but actually understand and decide. It helps machines recognize speech, identify images, and process text. AI can also predict outcomes and solve complex problems fast. That's why it's called artificial intelligence. Now, how does AI actually work? AI learns from data, just like humans learn from experience. It looks for patterns, remembers them, and improves over time. The more information you give it, the smarter it becomes. This process of learning from data is called machine learning. Machine learning is one of the main parts of AI. It means teaching computers through examples instead of instructions. For example, if you show a machine thousands of cat photos, it eventually learns what a cat looks like. Later, it can recognize cats in completely new pictures. Another important part of AI is neural networks. These are systems designed to act like the human brain. They use digital neurons connected in layers to process information. Each layer analyzes part of the data and passes it forward. This helps AI recognize complex things like faces, voices, or objects. Then comes deep learning, which is an advanced version of machine learning. Deep learning uses large data and complex networks to make smart decisions. It's what powers voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. It also helps self-driving cars see and understand their surroundings. Deep learning is the reason modern AI feels so intelligent today. AI is not limited to tech giants or scientists. It's already helping in healthcare, banking, education, and farming. Doctors use AI to detect diseases like cancer early. Banks use AI to catch fraud and suspicious activity fast. Farmers use AI to predict weather and improve crop growth. In customer service, AI plays a huge role too. Chatbots can answer questions 24/7 and solve simple issues. They help people faster and save time for businesses. AI boosts productivity and makes work more efficient for everyone. That's why companies around the world are using it. But AI also brings some challenges and risks. If trained with wrong or biased data, it can make mistakes. For example, if the data is unfair, the results will be unfair too. That's why humans still need to monitor and control AI carefully. We can't just let it run without responsibility. There are also concerns about jobs and privacy. Some people fear that AI will replace human workers. But AI mostly handles boring and repetitive tasks. It allows humans to focus on creative and complex work. Still, we must protect personal data and use AI safely. AI can be divided into three main types. The first is narrow AI, which we use daily. It focuses on one specific task only, like translation or driving. These systems can't think beyond their purpose, but they perform well. Siri, Alexa, and Google Translate are examples of narrow AI. The second type is general AI. This is the type that doesn't exist yet. It would think, learn, and understand just like humans do. It could learn new skills without being programmed for each one. Scientists are still working toward creating this level of intelligence. The third and final type is super AI. It would be smarter than humans in every possible way. It could reason, plan, create, and innovate beyond our imagination. Many experts believe it's still many decades away. But it also raises big questions about safety and control. The future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. It can solve huge problems like climate change or medical cures. But if used carelessly, it could create serious challenges too. That's why AI ethics is becoming very important today. We must ensure AI helps people and not harms them. So now you understand what AI really means. It's not magic or science fiction. It's real and powerful. It learns, adapts, and improves every single moment. AI is not the future. It's already here, shaping our lives. And it's only going to get smarter with time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech explanations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.